Good afternoon, Denise DeLauder here. I'm going to show you how to make this really cute card for autumn using washi tape and an embossing folder. So this is an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, which we're going to fold in half. And then I'm going to take this cardstock for the inside. It's the same that we're using on the outside, and this is 5 1/4 by 4. So this goes on the inside. Dimension, I like that. Okay, now on the top piece, we're using 4 different pieces of washi tape. So now I'm using this fall folder from Spellbinders, embossing folder, and I'm going to place this inside the folder. And normally we will spritz it with some water, but I'm not going to spritz it on the front because the washi tape will resist it. So I'm just going to do 1 spritz on the back with just regular water and run it through my embossing machine. It embosses the cardstock and the washi tape. I think that's really neat. And you can do all types of designs. You can do Christmas, you can do spring, Easter, any of those. So I'm using my Sweet Petunia, which is a stamping device, and I'm going to place a piece of cardstock in here using the magnet, and we're going to be cutting this out. Stamp and die comes from a set called Autumn Vibes, and I have cut out all of the stamps and sets, but as I've shown you in other videos, I like to put all of these into my own CD cases, and then I put a magnet on one side with all of the dies on it, and then the stamps are on the other side. So that way I keep them together and I'm not searching for the die set that goes with this stamp set. To put this on the card, we're going to use dimensionals. And this is dry now, so again, when you're embossing, I encourage my students to put extra adhesion because the texture, and in this case the water, will cause this piece of cardstock to roll up on the edges. So we want to make sure that it lays flat. So I encourage an extra application of adhesion, whatever type of adhesion you're using, glue, in this case snail, and then I'll take the back off right here. And there's your final card. Nice, simple, quick. Thank you.